Zanu-PF vazhinji munongonzwa nezvayo. Vamwe vedu tiri mukati meZanu-PF, vamwe vanoshoropodza Zanu-PF, vamwe vanokudza kuti Zanu-PF haina nebasa rese, but vazhinji vanokudza kuti Zanu-PF started everything and Zanu-PF yatonga Zimbabwe for so many years. Mamillions nemamillions emazimbabweans akutovhunduka ari kuhla Zanu-PF. Akanzwa kuti uri member weZanu-PF havachatotauri some of these things, they censor themselves. But as ordinary Zimbabweans vanenge vachitaura zvisina basa vachishoropodza government vachishoropodza Zanu-PF etc, because they know kuti majority of Zimbabweans actually hate Zanu-PF. Is that true? Tiripo pano pamuzinda wevanhu muri Zimbabwe, pamuzinda wemazimbabweans, but tinoda kutaura about famous and infamous topics, about loved and unloved topics, Zanu-PF government and Zanu-PF opposition etc. So muri Zimbabwe tiri kuti chii isusu? Tiri kutaura nezvei? Tanga chimbotaura nezvokuti Mnangagwa Abraham State House achishandisa tunnel. But izvezvi zvitava kutaura zvokuti hakudyiwi rinopisa Chachaya muZanu-PF. So kana tichitaura kuti hakudyiwi rinopisa Chachaya muZanu-PF, tiri kutaura zvemakakatanwa muri Zimbabwe. Tiri kutaura zvekukonana kuri kuitika mukati meZanu-PF. Tiri kutaura zvekusanzwisisana kuri kuitika mukati meZanu-PF. Why? Simple. Because of Chiwenga. Because of Mnangagwa. Because of Chiwenga faction. Because of Mnangagwa faction. You see, it gets big. It gets wide. It divides people even bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So, toda kumbotanga tataura, boss tikati alright, toda about Mnangagwa faction. Vanoti okay, toda zvana Ziyambi, toda zvana Mchangwa, toda zvana George Charamba, toda zvana Nick Mangwana, toda zvana Chi. But first, we are talking about Chiwenga faction itself. So, we have stood by Chiwenga's side. First of all, it's Chiwenga himself, Zimbabwe. Chiwenga himself. VP Chiwenga, Zimbabwe. Havana kugara mafanis through all this time. No, Chiwenga is actually the architect of 2030 bill. Chiwenga is actually the architect of Zanu-PF having one leader for life. Wakabudikira muna 2018 akazobudikira muna 2021 achisapota kuti Mnangagwa achatonga kusvika aneta etc. But people will tell you kuti hazvinangana nebasa rese izvozvo. What matters the most is the latest words of Vice President Chiwenga, is the latest address to the public by Vice President Chiwenga. So what's the latest? Because before tatanga criticize even Vice President Chiwenga kuti maybe, oh, this guy haven't said enough. This guy have only said scattered words. But what's the latest public address by Vice President Chiwenga? It's from around 16 April, before tapinda pa independence mswa 18. Chiwenga wakatungidza moto we independence kupi zviya. Is it 16 April or 15 April or something? But Chiwenga said something very significant, very important, because haungokaruki wataura iwo uchishoropodza zvinhu zvezvichiitika in real life. Chiwenga wakati munhu anonzi Ian Smith watakagwisa kutiwa neindependence yenyika yeZimbabwe aiva neatinoti iwo mafrontiers. And mafrontiers, their work was to choose the president of the country, the leader of the country of Zimbabwe. Vanova ivo vakachuza ani Ian Smith, mafrontiers. So, on a political level, on a commentary level, on an analyst political level, on a political analyst level, Chiwenga wakataura directly kuti as Zimbabwe zvatiri right now muna 2026, and the parliamentary system that Mnangagwa is trying to introduce to say only the members of parliament have the right to vote for the president is the same as the frontiers that Ian Smith had during his time. Unfortunately, Mnangagwa goes ahead to mira Wikino Chivayo 2 days ago, Mswa Independence Mswa 18, kuti Wikino pay $3.6 million. That's a lot of money. Zimbabwe. And Wikino said it openly kuti he consulted his principal. Anozikamwa nemaZimbabweans ese kuti it's Mnangagwa. That's the leader of Wikino Chivayo. He have been praising this guy forever. forever and ever, as long as we remember him. He have been praising the guy by the name Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa. We have been doing that, and now he's saying the principal have given him a go ahead. I donated $3.6 million to the members of parliament, $10,000 to each one of the 360 members of parliament and senate, 280 members of parliament and 80 members of the senate, 360 in total, $10,000 each. And then takatarisana ne-amendment bill number 3 rufana kuvotegwa by the parliament, which is also unconstitutional to a lot of members of Zimbabwe and lawyers and members of parliament and people who know the constitution, but it is unconstitutional. So tikutaura kuti muri Zimbabwe, tikutaura kuti isusu ZANU-PF yatadza, ZANU-PF yazvikonewa, ZANU-PF yozvishora, ZANU-PF yoita point fingers at each other. Isusu hatinambogara teta members of ZANU-PF. A lot of us Zimbabweans have never been members of ZANU-PF. And what happens in ZANU-PF actually surprises us. And as a matter of fact, most of us Zimbabweans, it's for the first time kunzwa zvinhu zvakadaro zvichiitika. Unfortunately, zviri kuitika munyika yevanhu 1, maZimbabweans, mashangani, mavenda, mashona, mandevele, matsonga, etc. Zviri kuitika munyika yevanhu 1, maAfricans. Why don't we unite? Iwe, kure netuma languages tusinangana nebasa rese. Don't we understand each other if we use English? If we do understand each other, then let's use English and build one thing and agree with each other on same concepts, on same principles, on same, whatever, plans. Kuti nyika yedu inde kumberi, kuti every Zimbabwean awani kwachitwa satisfied economically, financially, spiritually, etc. Muri kuonera here chinhu ichi muri Zimbabwe. Tiripo panapa tichitenda mese imimi who are our audience, mese imimi munoteerera muchibhilivha kune zvatinotaura, because you are the voice, you are the power, you are the reason why we are here today standing and saying things that we are saying, that we know these are universal truths, and universal truths actually satisfy everybody. Every African is satisfied by universal truths. Americans are satisfied by universal truths, regardless of the skin color, gender, race, or whatever. Or even, uri kubva ku Mississippi, uri kubva ku Oklahoma, uri kubva ku Tennessee. As long as you understand the universal truths. Do you understand that part, muri Zimbabwe? So, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for sharing this video. Thank you for talking about the things that we're talking in this video. Thank you so much for being part of this movement, part of this family. Thank you so much for believing in us. We believe in you. We are the truth together. Together we will conquer. Together we will spread our beliefs. Together everybody will believe in us. Together there will be peace, there will be progress on planet Earth. We love you, we respect you. Thank you for watching. Spread the word. Keep believing in unity, keep believing in democracy, keep believing in equality. Thank you.